Today we're driving the 2020 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. This is the new one with a 4-liter flat 6. It makes 414 horsepower and has a starting MSRP of $99,200. We'd like to thank Platinum Motor Cars for letting us drive and film this for the day. We're also celebrating 200,000 subscribers today, so we thought we'd bring you something a little bit more special. Hope you enjoy the video. Auto rev matching. You just gotta love the immediacy of these GT Porsches. They just get every little thing right. Fantastic driver's cars.
Yeah, the first thing I pointed out when I got in was just how perfectly in position everything was.
Yeah. Yeah, this is good. It's definitely not as visceral, a little bit lighter effort than the GT3. Sounds awesome.
I was just thinking I'd love to hear it from outside.
Yeah.
It probably sounds fantastic.
I like that these are 6 speeds. You don't have to worry about 7th gear. Oh my gosh. The balance is just perfect. Steering feel. Oh yeah, easy. Tires are still a little bit cold, so we're not going to push it too much, but you can just chuck this into corners. Telepathic. Just incredible. This 3.8 has a really throaty, meaty sound to it too. Definitely doesn't have the torque of the GT3, but oh, it's good. It's very satisfying. AMG's not quite enough.
No, not really. This should be a pretty good one.
Wicked. Yeah, the controls here are definitely a little bit lighter than I expected. There's not quite the steering feel from maybe the last GT4 that I drove. I mean, it's better steering feel than just about everything else that exists, but still there's you can feel that it's just been lightened just a tad. I don't necessarily want to say watered down, but there's definitely a difference.
Engagement on 5th gear.
Yeah. This 6-speed is sharp. The rev matching is pretty much perfect. Makes you feel like a hero. I'm so glad that they kept these GT4s with the flat 6 and they didn't put the turbo 4 in. It feels like a Porsche, not a Porsche with a Subaru engine.
Would you rather have this or a GT3 PDK?
GT3 PDK. It's still GT3 for me. That is the dream. There's just something about that car, the way it looks, the way it drives, the way it sounds, that 9,000 RPM redline.
I agree with you. That sound is unlike anything else.
Yeah, it really is. The torque is incredible. I mean, just every little thing about that car. So much traction.
Yeah, it does not struggle to get grip at all.
No. A lot of people have complained about the gearing in these GT4s, saying it's just a little bit too tall. I mean, it could definitely be shorter and you'd get just a bit more acceleration and enjoyable speeds out of it, but as it sits, it's pretty ideal. I mean, you get through first and second, and beyond that, you're probably speeding just about everywhere, but
Well, and it has so much torque down low.
it really does, yeah, and 8,000 RPM, that makes a difference too. You get up into those high revs, and it feels pretty good to me. I think it's definitely not something that I would knock this car for, at least on this first impressions drive. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. A big thanks to Platinum Motor Cars in Birmingham, Michigan. check out their inventory. This Cayman GT4. I don't know if it's for sale or not, or if they're just holding on to it for a little bit, but pretty awesome car. They have a lot of Porsches there. It's kind of their specialty among many other exotics.
Yeah, they've got a beautiful McLaren 720S Spider right now.
Yeah.
That is just to die for.
Yeah, it's awesome spec, and the 720S is kind of the maddest of them all. Super fast, but also super raw and visceral. Does all the things.
Kind of king of the throne right now.
It is, yeah. Still, after all this time. I was hearing that the new, whatever they brought out, 765 or something like that. It's just not the same. It doesn't slide well. It doesn't drive as well. It's kind of all over the place. It's super unpredictable.
Did you see Harris's comment on it?
Yeah, I did. He really raked it over the coals.
He did.
Well, hopefully we'll be able to get some more cars to film for you guys with Platinum Motor Cars. Until then, we'll see you guys later. Take care.